Hi there guys, so I did have an intro for this video, but it's not recorded the sound, so yes, the video will start off in the bunker, so I'll just stick with it. Apparently this was a World War II concentration camp, and then just to the right of me is two anti-aircraft emplacements there, and the one directly in front of me looks like some sort of bunker. It's got holes all the way around, so imagine that if shooting. I'm just being a bit quiet because there's just some people over there, so I've just spotted them. I'm pretty sure I'm on private land, so probably not a good idea to get caught here. This apparently was some sort of hold for the prisoners of war, mainly Italian soldiers, I think. Sorry about that, it's creaky there. It's solid stone all the way around, stone beams and stone ceiling. There's no way you're getting out of here. If you look over there, there's, you know, the windows are, well, would have been iron bars over them, and again, doors are solid steel. I'm just going to try and make way up to this bunker. Hopefully it's not too windy for you guys. I've been having some sound issues, Castle Hill. You can see Emily Moore up on there. I think them people might have scarpered now, but let's check out this bunker over here. Looks like it's got sort of machine gun pods sticking out the side of it. And this would have been the door on the way in. Looks pretty safe. It's all rebarred, so it's pretty safe, I think. But like I said, there's holes everywhere for what I'm assuming is machine gun fire. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And then there's you can get up on top. Sorry about the wind outside, guys, because like I said, it's pretty windy up here. It looks like there was a gun mounted on top there. Gun mounts there. Probably an MG50 cal, MG machine gun. And there's another way up. From this side you can see just there, that would have been an aircraft placement, and then there's one just there as well, so there would have been two, just one at that side, one at that side, because they would have used the castle to navigate in the plains. It's one of the highest points, and it stands out from everywhere. So from above it would have been a good point to navigate, so they put this here obviously to shoot down if any enemy planes were navigating. And then there's just some ladders up to this point. It's a solid bunker, it must be. It's a good nearly foot thick, that rebarred concrete. So yeah, it'll withstand some serious fire, this place. I haven't noticed any damage from bullets or all like that, so I'm assuming that there's never been any trouble up here. But yeah, you've got a good vantage point pretty much all the way around. There's good views all the way around. There's just the farmhouse just down there, so I'm just being a bit cautious to go around that side of the building just in case. I'm going to go through this. I'm going to have a walk through this spot a bit, I think. It's quite low. Can't really see what's on the floor, so I don't fancy going any further just in case there's been people in here using drugs or all like that. I don't fancy getting a needle in my foot. So, but yeah, this is the World War II anti-aircraft placement at Castle Hill, West Yorkshire in Huddersfield. Just thought I'd check it out, I've seen it on OS Maps, so I thought I'd give it a look today and see what I could find. So yeah, it's pretty decent. So I'll leave you with that, guys. I'm gonna have a march out now and get back to my car, maybe have some dinner here, I don't know, I'll see. But yeah, it's been a good one. Nice day. Nice day for it. Just thought I'd get out for a bit because I've been stuck in the house for a few days now. It's been getting on my nerves. So the road up to it's really good, it's survived. It's all concrete slabs, so there's a bit of gravel on way in. There's like a big turning circle. That's the outside of what I know to be the prisoner of war camp. I'm not 100%. It might be the new ammunition storage point, or and that's the main bunker there. I'm just gonna have a walk over to this gun placement. I've come around the longer way, the back way, just because, like I say, you can just see the roof of the farmhouse. I'm pretty sure I could be trespassing, so don't really want to be caught out. Yeah, this is the back end of the bunker that we just stood on a minute ago. As you can see, the kids are being in and drawn all over it. There's just farm uses it looks like a sort of silage storage. There's loads of cow and horse shite everywhere. Sorry about the wind if it's windy, guys. So this would have been one of the massive anti-aircraft guns placements just here, quite close to the house now. So yeah, there's a big wall all the way around it, both sides. Shall that be for some sort of cover? You can't actually see if there's it's pretty overgrown now. Feels like it goes down a bit, so I'm assuming the gun would have sat lower than this point. Seems like there's maybe a hexagon cut out in the concrete. But yeah, it would have been a good place. Is it? Right, back again. Just got cut off there, bumped into some local focals. I wanted some information. I just told them what I knew, really. Not much, but I will try and find out some more info. So this is the track in. There's a big turning circle there, and then just on his way back out down the track. I've just parked in, if anyone wants to know who's not from Huddersfield, anyone that's interested in military history or like that. I parked in the village of Honley. If you walk up past the high school on the main road and then turn directly left at the top, and then you'll find the gate on the right hand side. Or if you're coming from the Newsham side, you can park in the new cemetery, and it's about a 5-minute walk just up the road. So I'll leave you with that, guys, anyway. Just making a video to show what I've been doing, really. Not special, just keeps my mind occupied. And I'll catch you on the next one. So I've just stopped for dinner. Just going to take you through a few bits that I use. This is just my fire kit, ferrocerium rod, lighter, whatever. Knife, fork, spoon, gloves because that gets hot. It's just my cup, got for Father's Day. Sponge, spark. I use the butane bottles, so I've got the adapter from AliExpress, about £2, and then I just use a remote stove. Just all the gas from here, just on this turner, and that should be done. And today we've got vegetable soup, chunky one, I think. I know beef and vegetable, big soup we've got. I've just stopped for some dinner, so I'm just up in these woods. I'm actually on the track, so I'm just hoping I don't bump into anyone because I look a bit like a knob having my dinner in the middle of the wood. So yeah, I'm just doing this for my hour's exercise. Got a bit sick of being stuck in at home, so I just thought I'd come to Woods, go and see these bunkers and make something to eat and just have a bit of a chill time on my own. So yeah, here we are. So I'm just gonna get something to eat and I'll probably get back to you and walk out, and then like I say, just a quick one, not special today. Just to get the boots on the deck, do a bit of walking, get moving because we're seas up if we don't. So yeah, I'll catch you in a bit, guys. Right then guys, just a cool cap. The end of the video, had some lunch. I put it in my bag because I had soup and it'll get all over my stuff and I don't want that, so just chuck it in the dishwasher when I get home. So yeah, I've had a good bit of time out. Seen the bunkers, got some dinner at work, got a walk around. So yeah, bluebells are out. So I'm just on my way back to get my car now, so I'll leave you with that. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Like I say, it's not special. Just keep my head straight, because I'm not working at the moment. Something to do. Just to bring you guys out here as well, so see if you enjoy my videos. That's it really. I don't know what I'm going to do next. I'm looking for some more places to go. I'll have to have a bit of a research and see what the crack is. But I'm sure I'll find out. Like I say, if this is on my YouTube, if you just like to like and subscribe, Facebook like it, whatever. Don't like it, I'm not bothered. I just do it to keep it interesting. Because there's not what else to do. It's crap. Can't go out for meals or out. So just make good of a bad situation, ain't you? Everyone's at the same boat. Just gotta keep your head straight. Right guys, I'll leave you with that, but thanks for watching. Peace.